into this now. So I'm going to enter into the further. So that part you are taking care about it, I think so. So now I will go for, so here I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to introduce another kind of area here. Another kind of area I'm going to take. So here I'm going to enter into the further. So next, I want to go for another area here. What is the next area I'm taking? Which concept next? Variance I'm going to take it. All these things I'm going to show you, the big explanation is there with me. If you want, you can go to small notes. Don't think that sir is not giving the notes for it. I'm giving the notes for you also. A detailed notes I'm giving to you daily while I'm posting it. Statistical operations you see. Here a spoon feeding notes I'm giving in every moment of it. So these operations can be performed. A small moment you see. On the entire matrix, we can also perform column wise. What is an axis? 0. And row wise is, we can perform entire matrix. We can also perform column wise and then row wise. A max will do what I am saying. Variable name is equal to numpy dot a max of nd array object. Variable name is equal to numpy dot a max of nd array object. Axis is equal to 0. Obtain maximum elements on the basis of columns. Obtains maximum elements on the basis of rows. L1 list in list is. Are you following me? NP dot L1 getting into what? 3 by 2 3 by 3 matrix. Are you okay? A max on 0, axis base 1, max element in the matrix, column max, row max. A min also got it. A min also I got it. A min also I got it. A min also. Next is called mean. It is used to calculate the mean of the total matrix elements. Got it. What is the mean? Formula also I am giving. Sum of the elements of the matrix by total number of elements. So ND array mean, ND array object axis is equal to 0, column wise mean is equal to 1, row wise mean. Done. Median. Here it is clearly explained for you. Used to find the median. Obtaining the median of the entire matrix. How to find the median? Median is nothing but sorting the given data in ascending order and select the middle element. Here I am giving. If the number of elements are sorted and are odd, then the center or middle element become median. If the number of sorted elements are even, then select the center or middle two elements and add them and divide by 2 and the result becomes median. Alright. Next, same. Complete median, column wise median, row wise median. So got this data. Done. Median of this entire thing. You can apply 2 by 2 matrix, complete matrix. You have seen 4 by 4 matrix, big one only. Now I am coming to what? Variance. Variance. I am going to apply to the variance. Okay. Very simple, students. Now I am entering into the further. Here I am going to apply. So let us take the median and all those things here. All those things are finished. Now I am entering into which concept? Man. So variance I am going to take it. First very small example you take, mom. Import. So finding what? Variance. Variance. Did you remember normal function? Normal function. What is the syntax? Variable name is equal to np dot random dot normal of LOC comma scale. What is LOC? Mean. What is the scale? Variance. That variance can be defined in two ways. One is the variance format. I'll tell you what is the variance within 1 minute. And the square root of variance, which is known as what? Standard deviation. So the point is what you know, students. Suppose I want to buy a laptop. I want to buy HP laptop. I want to buy, students. What I will do? Blindly, I don't want to go to one shop and I don't want to buy immediately. At least I will visit to 4 to 5 shops. At least I will visit to 4 to 5 shops with a configuration of same. I want i7 processor with so and so configuration I'm expecting. That configuration, what is the price and what is the compliments they are giving to me, and I will find out. Same thing I will go here. I'll find the same kind of what price and what compliments you will be giving. Like that, I'll find from all the places, and you will apply and mentioning that values and trying to find what is the variance among all these shops. Variance, difference between all these shops. So the variance among all these shops may be some small 1,500, some difference is there. So then I will find out, okay, variance is very low only, but I look for the complement spot. What is giving bag free, something like some warranty more years they are giving, something, some extra things they are giving. They are giving some sort of screen guard. They are giving some keypad guard. They are going to cost much more for you. That also you are looking into that. So wherever there is a less variance and more compliments, I'll prefer that. Are you following me? Right. That type of things you want to buy it. Programmatically, if you want to buy it, I'll go for the concept of what? Variance. Did you understand the variance now? So if I want to buy a product, if I want to buy a product of certain automobile product, I will visit to multiple places and you will inquire and you will apply the variance among them. And you will come to a conclusion that this is the difference between one shop to another shop. And you will look into the second factor what you are looking for. Are you following now? So how to do that kind of thing? By the function called what? Variance of. So finding the variance by using here I am writing it by using variance of. So how to find out? A is equal to np dot array of a small variables I will first small values I'll take. So 3 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 like this I am taking. What I am finding that dot what I will go for this now. What I will do now, students, print of content of A. Content of A. I am writing it. In the print of A, I am writing it. So got this data. Now I want to find what? Variance. So how to find the variance? V is equal to, come on, NP dot variance of A. These are all are done at the school level only. In ninth class, 8th class level, there is a chapter called statistics. చదివారా చదివారా లేదా చెప్పండి చదివారు గుర్తుందా మనకి ఏం గుర్తుండదు అసలు ఎందుకంటే మనం అంతా గజనీలం కాబట్టి సో వన్స్ యూ లెర్న్ సంథింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రాపర్టీ టు రిమెంబర్ వై మేబీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్దర్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ యూస్ఫుల్ చదువుకోవడం ఎందుకని వై అసలు చదువుకోవడానికి కారణాలు ఏంటి వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ టు స్టడీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్ టు స్టడీ in my working environment, which I am reading, may be useful. That's why we are preparing in the beginning only. That's why we are reading. So listening from this year, forgetting this with year, writing completely exam. Next day, mind is fresh. This is what is going on. Today, semester exams over. After 15 days, anything in the brain, nothing is there. Because that is the students nowadays. This is a student nowadays. I think some last month, some 22nd or something, JE mains exams were conducted, January session. Maybe you know. So one of my relative came from district, and I went here. They put Hyderabad center. I went near Mallapur in my lunch time. I just gave to her some confidence. You can do. She will do well up to intermediate. Next, what will happen? We don't know. So I just went in my lunch time. Do well. That confidence I want to give. I went there. And near to that, so a lot of people are waiting. SEZ in that place they will conduct. So I went there and I'm telling her answer properly. Negative answers, negative marking also there. So try to answer well like that. While I'm saying that to her, one boy and one father, father, mother, boy. Then I don't know other gang people are there or not. Even hundreds of relatives are coming. If this person doesn't have the fuel in the engine, it cannot start also. Correct or not? And you know what father is saying to this boy, just near to me only. His voice is more, it's disturbing me. And I'm telling to her all points. What he's telling, if you don't know, keep any one of the answer, A, B, C, D, keep like that he's saying. Keep any one of the answer. You don't know that negative marking is there. And this is nothing but he studied something, you put A, B, C, D. When he wrote exams A, B, C, D, any one of he selected, no negative marking was there, it was running. Show was completed. And this present show is making utter flop. You don't know that because of a negative mark, how much it reflects, you don't know. He's saying, if you don't know anything now, keep anything. This person say, okay, that definitely. And mother is doing what? Chocolate is there. While going in the line, she's keeping chocolate in his mouth. Mother affection, father advises, becoming that person. When he come out, I don't know, he will answer all the questions. Why? Keeping only ABCDs, na? Actually, getting answer means you have to work out with all formulas and all. And like this, the parents are. And one person is brought this much of book, almost 2000 pages book. He's sitting under one tree, he's just going on scrolling the papers. Okay, before the exam, last minute hurry, that is. That also not good. And this also not good. Feeling tension also not good. Feeling tension, eating nails, everything that also not good. Because that is very danger. So first to go to the exam, you have to prepare well. Keep whatever answer you like. It means I said that example only to her. See, one parent is saying what to. Yes, I should not do. She is saying, and she wrote well. It seems, and you have to wait for the result. Okay, anyhow, come to the point back. Variance. Now I want to print the variance. Now I will print variance is equal to variance is equal to. Here I will write it. Variance is equal to comma. What I am doing? V. How this going to be calculated? Variance is equal to, if you have studied already in your schools, sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus, already I said to you during the normal time, normal function distribution time, of what? Mean whole square by what? Number of numbers. What is this xi? X1, x2, x3, x4 to the power of that n. Maybe same example I gave you, I think so. What the answer is coming now? What is the mean? First of all, tell me, ma. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 by 4, which is called 10 by 4, which is called what here? Come on, 2.5 is called what? Mean. Mean. Now I need to find out the variance. Variance is equal to, tell me. Variance is equal to, tell me, xi. What is an xi? 3. 3 minus 2.5. 3 minus 2.5 whole square plus 1 minus 2.5 whole square. Sigma means expansion form I am writing. Plus what I am writing? 2 minus 2.5 whole square plus 4 minus 2.5 whole square. 2.5 whole square by what? 4. 3 minus 2.5 whole square means what? 0.5. 0.5 whole square means 0.25. Plus 1 minus 1.25 means what? Come on, 1 minus 1.5 whole square. Minus minus plus. It is called a 2.25. Plus 2 minus 2.25. 0.5 means 0.25. Plus 4 minus 2.5 is called 1.5 whole square. 2.25. Are you okay, students? By 4. What is the answer now? 2.25, 2.25. 4.50. Plus this is 0.5. 5 by 4. Is it okay? 5 by 4 means 1.25. 1.25. What is 1.25? Variance. So Among all these values, what is the difference we have? 1.25 variance is there. Now I need to go for, it was the normal distribution. That time I said to you, when it was a normal distribution, this is a 1.25. This is a mean is called what? 2.25. And then the left side values and right side values which are having the difference of what? 1.25. That variance is maintaining. That is nothing but what? 1. And next is called 2. 2.25. And next is called 3. And something like this we have. Are you following me? So this is having 1.25 difference. This is a 0.5 difference. This is called a 0.5 difference. This is having 1.25 difference. This is what is called a normal distribution diagram. I was already explained this part. This left side equal variance, right side equal variance will be there. So now I'm going to print this variance like this. So I think 1.25. Did you understand the meaning of variance, students? Right. When they ask about where to use variance, you have to tell. Are you following? If I want to buy a laptop, I will inquire 10 shops. I'll get the values of 10 shops, put it into ND array. I will apply the concept of variance. I'll find the difference between all these shops. What is my product variance in the shops? Getting my point? Suppose you take on and average normal height of the Indian male, Indian female. What is the height of that? We'll find the variance. Difference among the heights, I will take it. Is it called variance or not? Yes. Average height means what? Mean. Mean, I will take it. Are you following me? Yes. Now I'll go to, which mean I want to take it next term? Which variance I want to take it? Row wise variance, column wise variance I want to take it. So find what? Column and row wise, column wise, and row wise variance. Row wise variance. I'm going to take it column and row wise variance. Tell me how to do it. How to do it? CV is equal to column wise variance is equal to NP dot variance of A comma axis is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Next is called what? Row wise variance is equal to axis is equal to 1. And as usual, I am getting the same thing. Here I am going to write it. Dot what? Reshape of 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Are you following me? Content of A printed. And next I want to print the total content. Even I am getting the same kind of value. Variance is concerned, no problem at all. Variance is concerned, no problem at all. And row wise variance and column wise variance also going to be the same. Different you are going to get it here. Variance is going to be same. Like this only you will get it. Now I am going to print it. Tell me. Column wise variance is equal to, tell me, CV. Next is called what? Row wise variance is equal to. Right. So now let us have a look. Let us have a look. RV. Take students this data. Once you take it, 3, 1, 2, 4. Already got it. What is the value here we are getting, ma? 1.25. 1.25 na? See the above. 1.25. Yes. 1.25. And next is called what is here? 3, 1, 2, 4. Tell me, what is this answer? This CV I want to take it. What is the mean of that? What is the mean of that? 2.5. What is the variance I am going to talk? 2.5 minus 3 whole square. 0.5 whole square, that is 0.25. 2 minus 2.5. 0.5 whole square. That is called 0.25. 0.25 plus 0.25 by 2. 0.50 by 2. That is called 0.25. Are you okay, Babu? Right. 1 plus 4. Mean. దీనికి mean. What is the mean? 5 by 2. 2.5. Be careful. variance. 1 minus 2.5 whole square. 1.5 whole square. 2.25. 4 minus 2.5. 1.5 whole square. 2.25. 2.25. 2.25. 4.50 by 2. 2.25. 2.25. Are you following me? This is called what? Column wise variance. Column wise variance. Similarly, what about this? Mean is called what here? 2. Row wise variance. Quick. 3 minus 2. 1. 1 minus 2 whole square. 1 plus 1 by 2. That is called 2. Okay. 2 plus 4 by 6. 2 plus 4. 6 by 2. 3. 3 minus 2. 1 whole square. 1 no. 4 minus 3. 1 only. 1 square. 1. 1 plus 1 by 2. It is called what? 1. 2 1. 2 1 is row wise variance. Column wise variance is like this. I think you are following me. Let us run this. Let us run this. So I hope you are remembering. మీకు గుర్తున్నాయో లేదో తెలియదు కానీ బట్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ 0.25, 2.25, 11. Okay? This is a complete variance of this matrix. These are values we have. Okay now? Similarly, you can take a very big matrix. You can take a very big matrix, students. A very big matrix, you can take it. So I'm writing here, I'm writing there, writing here, a range of something like 4 comma 3. I'm taking 4 comma 3. Reshape of what is this now? 4 star 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. Are you okay? I'm taking totally 12 elements and 4 rows and what? 3 columns. And I'm printing the data, variance of it, normal variance. I'm printing row wise variance, column wise variance. I'm printing it. See that this is my complete data. Total variance is called 11.91666 like this. Column wise variance and row wise variance also I got it. I hope students you are following me. Clear or not clear? So if you want to apply round off what you can say, if you want you can apply round off. Come on, round off what you can say. I'll apply here. Round off what here 2. Round off 2. Here I can say round you don't take it. Normally only you take it. Here also I'll apply round of CV comma 2 you say. Next is called a round of what I will say. RV comma 2 you say. Now I'm going to take up. This is my data. What is this now? Doesn't have round method. Doesn't have the round method. Round of V. Round of V. Generally, round of V is not supposed to be for that. Okay, 0.2 F. 0.2 F. I'm writing like this. Percent of V I'm writing. Similarly, I will apply percent of what? 0.2 F. I'll say percent of CV. Percent of CV. Also 0% of what? 0.2 F. So here I will write it. Percent of I will write it. Like this I am getting it. So this is the data we got it. So try to run this. So got the data. What is happening again? Length of one cannot be converted into Python scalars. That's perfect. So here CV is containing what? This is okay. First one is converted because it is a single value, right or not? How do you get it into this value? You can take it. CV is what type? Come on, ma. CV is what type? ND array or not? ND array. So I cannot apply directly like that. You try to take it for like this. If at all you need the same thing, 1 minute student, if you give the time, I will show you that answers for you. So this is the value, like this it is printed. It is saying that you cannot apply directly on this ND array like this it is saying. 1 minute if you give me the time, I will show you. Type of what? CV. CV I am printing it. What is the type of CV? ND array. So ND array. ND array means I need to get the values. How do you get the value? For V in CV. V in CV. For V I will print it. Complete value is printing now. Like this I am printing. Only one value it is getting printed. What is the actual value? 11.25, 11.25 is coming. Now I will print it. Here if you want me to go for it, there I will write it. What you can say? Either you can take it as round of V comma 2, I can write it. Round of 2, I can say. Incomplete input. Close. So you are getting what here? 11.25, 11.25 you are getting it. You are getting it. Similarly, this is called which matrix? Which kind of data? Print of what? Come on. Column wise, column wise variance. Column wise variance you are printing. Similarly, I want to get it what variance? Row wise variance. You want to print in the same line now? You want to print in the same line now? You can print it. You can print it, students. I will bring it to the new line like this. So you are getting in which line? Same line. Next, similarly, I will go for what also? Row wise. I will print in row wise also. So I will go to row wise here. Now I'm going to get it RV, row wise. Same thing. Getting these things. Try to remove, print this data. Are you getting this? 0.67. Earlier answers you take it. Here 0.666. And I already said anything is more than what? 5 and above. It will be made as what? Rounded to the next value. 66 is becoming what? 67. If you want to round it to two decimals. Sir, no, sir, I want figure full length value. I can take like this also. Think you are following me. So this is the simplest coding part. You can use round off. You can use percentage to F. You can use all those things. Clear up? Online students. So I think you are following me. Similarly, I will go for what? Any bigger matrix is available, you can apply. Okay? Na? Next, I want to go for another kind of discussion. I want to take it. See, students, I will go to next one is standard deviation. I want to go for standard deviation. Shall I? Hmm. Standard deviation is nothing but very simple. STD is equal to SQRT of variance. So the difference in the prices of different shops can be expressed in two ways. One is in the form of variance. The variance nothing but square root of that variance is nothing but what? Standard deviation. So the variance can be expressed in two ways. One is by using variance, one more by using standard deviation. So standard deviation is also one another format of variance only, but it is expressing in the form of what? Square root of variance. So tell me, so we know that standard deviation is equal to standard deviation is equal to what? SQRT of variance. SQRT of variance. There I am going to write it. Take our small values matrix, students. This concept you take it. This concept you take it. There I am going to apply. There I am going to apply. So here I am going to write it. Same. Find the variance. Row wise, column wise, everything. Got it. Printing. What I will do simply STD. STD of it. Standard deviation. Here I am writing. Standard deviation is equal to. I will write it S here. So I am writing S here. Standard deviation. Next is called what? Come on. STD. This is called what here? Column wise standard deviation. CSD. What is this now? RSD, row wise standard deviation. I will write what here? STD. Come on here. Standard deviation. Anyhow, it is available. Column wise and standard deviation is equal to CSD. Next what? Row wise standard deviation. Row wise standard deviation is RSD. Now, take your original value once and observe it. Standard deviation 1.25 whole square. What is the 1.25 whole square? 1.25 square root. Standard deviation kada. Go to the standard deviation square root. How do you find out? 1.25 star 0.5. So it is going to be called what? 1.11. Madhu, are you okay? Square root concept I already said in our fourth class only. Square root of n to the power of 1 by 2. N to the power of 1 by 2 means 0.5. N into star what? 0.5. Today 1.25 square root 1.25 to the power of 1 by 2, which is nothing but 1.25 star 0.5, which is known as what? This one answer. Okay, Babu. Madhu. So here star 2 will get 1.25 only now. దీన్ని స్క్వేర్ రూట్ చేసిన దీన్ని స్క్వేర్ చేసిన రెండు ఒకటే. ఇక్కడ నేనేదో మ్యాజిక్ చేస్తున్నాను అనుకోకండి. ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ సేమ్ థింగ్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. Go to the place. One more kind of value is available there. One more kind of value is available there. So there you go for it. For this square root, I get it. 0.5 square root, 0.5. 0.25, 2.25 square root, 1.25. Are you following me? So here, who is this? Albert Augustine. Why there is no round function in NUMPY? NP dot round. That you have to ask Travis Oliphant. Why there is no, what KVR will do? KVR is explaining the subject, what is available in the scientist subject, right or not? Why sun is not rising in east, north or west? KVR, if you ask to KVR, why sun is not asking? So at least KVR has to go to sun. That much talent is I don't have. Okay, now Albert Augustine. So almost you are Einstein only. So why there is no means what? So I go for NP dot round is there. Okay, if it is there, use it. I'm saying. Use it, I'm saying. If it is already there, you use it. I'm saying. Actually, round was there in where? Round was there in the Python. A, this is, you take it as what? A is equal to 1.678 or something like this is there. Round of what? A comma 2. We used to get the result. This used to see in my Python class. Albert is not my class actually. That's why he is getting all these doubts. He is not my class. That's why he is getting. If my student is there, they already experienced what is a round and all. Okay, now because of not belongs to my class, all these kind of problems. So import NUMPY as NP A is equal to NP dot array of 1.22, 1.33, 1.664566 like this, 1.78976 like this, having like this. Here I am having print of A. Now I am going to write it. NP of round of what? A I am saying. You got the answer like this. NP dot round off. But my interest of using there is what? Round off. Normal Python thing. NP dot round off. This is going to give you 1. This is going to give you 1.22. No 5. It is 1 only. 3 like this. 1.44 1 only. That is up to 5 and above it is going to be. Round off what you are saying? Just only 1 is considered. 1.7 is called simply 2. Follow me. So NP dot round, if you want, you can use it. So, Rohit, okay. Now coming to the point back, here I am going to use it. I will continue this part. Are you following me? Right. Easy. Even I said how to write our own way of writing the code. Intelligence checking. Intelligence part of it. Go to the place, standard deviation. Now I'm here and this place 1.25, 0.25, 2.25. I set the square root. Square root of 1 is 1 only. So get this point of it. Here I'm going to get the data. So see these values 1.111. What I took it, this data strictly, and other values are easy for you to understand. 0.5, 1.5, 1.0, 1.0. Able to follow? This is about the statistical operations. Clear or not clear? Right. Which function is not there? Mode is not there. Mode is not there. You want to find out. I am going to take up here. Follow me. Content of A I am taking. I am going to take up. Here I am going to write. This is my given data. Find the mode. Find the mode. Find the mode of ND array. ND array. So this is the value. What is the mode? Meaning is frequently occurring element is called what? Highest frequency element of an ND array is called mode. Are you following me? Frequency, highest frequency element is known as what? Mode. Highest frequency means what? Regularly appearing element is known as mode. Correct. So here I'll go for writing one more value called 3. So total values, one more kind of value called 3. So total values are what? 6. So I will write it as what here? Let it be like this only, I will take it. Let it be, I will apply like this. 1D array only. Now you apply. Mode is equal to np dot what mode of A, which is giving error. Mode is not there in where? Module NumPy has no attribute called mode. Module NumPy has no attribute called mode. So which is not there here. This I will write it as an error. This error page I will keep as it is, students. This error page I'll keep as it is. Then how can I take care? How can I take care about this? For that, I am going to apply one more kind of concept here. That is known as what? By using find the mode of ND array by using a predefined called what? Statistics. 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 Statistics module. Import. Predefined module statistics of Python. Statistics of Python. So you import it. You import it. So there I am saying import statistics as yes. Statistics as yes. There I am writing content of this one. Yes dot mode of A. So it is going to give you what? M is equal to. So there I am going to write it. Mode is equal to comma. Yes. Mode is equal to comma. Yes, I am going to write it. So what is going to print? Here mode is equal to statistics. M I need to print, not yes. M I need to print. What is the mode value? So highest frequency element is called what? Yes, you can also apply in our list place. Count, you can apply count. Count will give you number of number of occurrences or not? Number of occurrences. Even I said in the class, highest occurrence element how to find also I said. Count I said. And in words also, words, if highest length word, how to find out also I said. Next you take it. The big elements you take it. Here I am going to take it. One more kind of thing. Here I am going to get it. 3, comma. Next, I will go to next. One more I will carry, students. One more I will carry. This one I am carrying. Here I am going to carry 312433. Here I am writing 11 also I am writing. 11 also I am writing. Print this value. I am getting this kind of data. 11 also. Mode is called what? 3 only. Why not 1 is coming? Because 11 also 3 times available. 3 also available 3 times. But 1 is available after 3. It is giving the first preference for this only. Carry the same thing. I will change the order here. What is an order I am changing? Here I am changing 1. Here I am writing what? 3. Here I am writing 3. Which one will be given preference now? Which will be given preference? 1 will be given preference. 1 is coming. But 1 and 3 same number of times occurred now. That is called what? Multi-mode we can call. What is that? Multi-mode. Generally people knows up to mode only, but we are applying multi-mode. So here I am writing multi-mode. So I'm going to write multi-mode. Multi-mode, which will give you what? 1 is also 3 times is there, 3 also occurring 3 times. So print this data. Multi-mode, M-U-L-T-I. Multi-mode I will apply. So got it what? 1, 3. Are you following me? So here 2 also I will write it. 2 also I will write it. 2 also 2 times available, 3 times available, which is equal to like this. So 1, 3, 2. If I write 3, multi-mode works like a mode also. So here I will write 3. That means one number extra compared to all. That is called 3 only will come. Are you following me? This is about the concept of what? Multi-mode. So what are the statistical operations? This error page I am keeping as it is to just to tell that module NumPy has no attribute called. That's why I'm using which module? Statistics module I am importing. There I am trying to write it and I am finding the mode. How many types of modes are there? 2 types. One is mode and multi-mode. Belongs to which module? Statistics. Statistics. Are you following me? So what are the functions which you learn now? Here, come on. Variance. Variance is equal to SQRT of mean minus xi. SQR means what? Square. It is like this. It is a text editor now. I'm unable to write the symbolic notation like this. Xi minus xi. Nothing but what? Each element of the matrix. Whole square by what? N. N. This is nothing but SQR. This square is nothing but SQR I said. Then, and I don't want to write like everybody, which is in the websites and all. Like this, I don't want to write. Because as a programmer, I don't want to write like this. Illa rastar kontamandi. What is this symbol called? XOR. XOR is a square of? No. So if you write like that, I don't want to write in my class. SQR of, I want to write it. Square of, not SQRT. Remember that SQR only by total number of elements. Xi represents each element of the matrix. Mean anyhow you know. So 10 axis wise, got it. These are my elements. Axis wise, got it. Standard deviation is equal to what? SQRT of variance. Standard deviation with axis and all. Come down to this place. Done. Here, note. NumPy module doesn't contain mode function. Mode and come on, what is this? Multi-mode present in statistics module. So mode gives highest frequent occurring element in the right. So next I will give you, instead of that, I will give you mode, multi-mode. Multi-mode gives highest frequent occurring elements. Occurring elements in the given object. Here it is going to be element only. Single element. Single element. So if there are multiple elements on the same occurrence is available, one time only we will be coming. First in order only will come. Example part we are writing. In the example part you are writing here multi-mode. Got it. Mode and multi-mode. Here I got it multi-mode. Even you can apply on list. You can apply an ND array also. No problem. Here I applied completely on ND array only. So I hope you got it, students. And this is comes under which concept? Statistical operations. All statistical operations you got it. And next we will come up with most important another one we are going to do. So far what we used to create? ND array we used to create, correct? ND array in the form of what? 1D, 2D, ND, like that we used to. Now we are just creating it. How to add the data to the ND array, which is known as what function? Append function. How to append the data to the ND array. So far we are creating only ND array append. How to append the data. Next is called what? How to insert the data. How to delete the data of ND array. Very, very important again. Very, very important again. How to append this data in 1D, 2D, and all those places, how to do it. This concept I'm going to of ND array. So this I will discuss in the next class. Because even there is a 10 minutes time is there. Even if I discuss it, even if I start, it will not complete. It will take almost 1 hour, 20 minutes it will take. Because I need to tell you about append in 1D, 2D, and 3D. Like that, all those things I want to tell you. Okay, now? So next class concept is what? Append, insert, delete. After that, I will go for sort the data of ND array. Row wise sorting, column wise sorting, all those sorting I want to take it. Very, very important. You take any NumPy YouTube videos you see, total you watch it. And for the sake of saying in the class, you watch it. What is covered in that, you watch it. But after I covered, you see multiple videos also will see, you will not find that. That's why don't miss the class, attend it. Tomorrow class, about this concept I am going to talk. Right? Thank you. Carry on. Online students, you hold on if any doubts are there for you. Online students, am I audible, students? Dhirendra Jain. Student name is Dhirendra Jain.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Dhirendra. Tell me.
Sir, this is the out of the box that I'm asking regarding this NumPy.
Okay.
That can we use, are we also using this NumPy and Pandas in the Gen AI or the machine learning nowadays?
Yes, yes, 100. That's why we are discussing. This is a mandate. These are compulsory things. These are the in machine learning. Everywhere else in AI, everywhere else you will come across NumPy and Pandas. Matplotlib you leave it. That is for data
Okay.
visualization.
But sir, when I'm seeing the openings in the market, so then I have seen this means they are asking for the SciPy and the PyTorch and the TensorFlow
That
and
are
some
all
other
data
things.
science. Data science. Along with these modules, you will get specific modules of ML. Specific modules. These NumPy, Pandas
Mhm.
are the common modules in all the places. Along with these two, you will get SciPy, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras. Those things will come. They are specifically related to the those kind of areas.
So means NumPy and Panda would be the basic building block for the Gen AI and the machine learning.
Minimum requirement for learning those things.
So this should be means this should be useful if I wanted to make my career in future in next 1
100%.
year.
100%. Without knowing this, you cannot do anything else.
Okay, okay. Because I have not seen, so that's why I'm little curious regarding this. That is it?
You will come across in the coding. Where you have seen, I don't know, but in every moment of it, this is compulsory.
No, means I was only looking for the jobs for the Gen AI because most of the people are looking right now for the Gen AI. So that's why I thought that maybe I can make my career in that area as well.
In jobs, they won't mention the libraries now, Dhirendra. In
Yeah,
the
normally
course,
means.
in the course
Okay,
they will mention it. In the course, it will come. Coding that will come.
okay, fine, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, students, take care and don't miss the class. And tomorrow, very, very important session. All the best.